Well, today I'm going to put Megatron back together. I will show a little process of what it takes to get him going, and enjoy. This is the new bracket. The old one cracked all the way around, and I'll show a picture of that. Got my Pro Eagle here to lift it up. That's the drive line is going to get reconnected. These are some of the tools right here they're going to use. So let's have some fun. Alright, so I had to set these 3 bolts in first, and then I'm able to get the big boy in right here. You can see he's made it through on the other side. So this side takes, I believe it's a 40, and the other side's a 36 for that. And then those are 21s. And I'm going to put these 2 in next. As you can see, you see those little things up there. So I will get that. I keep it all kind of loose so it moves around a little bit before I decide to tighten it all up. Alright, got them all nice and tight. Got these up here. That was a bitch. Both of them work. And then I got these 3. So everything's nice and tight now. Now I'm just working on that side, tighten over there, because it's loose. Whew.
Last thing I do, always torque. Look at 150. Got it done. These all put back together, and I'll see you all meet and greet. That's in Wasilla, Alaska on Saturday.